Do you know what fruit this is? I'll give you a hint. You can eat the peel. This is Miss K. This is Go Cuisine. Let's check out this new fruit. Bonjour, y'all. I got an interesting new fruit that I wanted to show you guys. It is a mandarinquat. And you can see they are quite small. And they range in size. Here's a big one. Here's a little one. And we're going to cut one open. It says that you, and I know you can because you can see the amount that's left in this bag, and it was full. You can eat the rind. There are seeds in this fruit, but let's cut it open and see what it looks like. First, let's wash it. Okay, we're going to cut this one open. So you can see there's quite a bit of seeds there. You can see the medium sized one, when I opened it, it had about that much seeds. That's quite a lot. Poke it with my knife and they come out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut 2 more because I'm going to use this to make a salad dressing. See, and this one doesn't have quite as many, but it's still got, and here's our bruised guy. Look at that. So let's give it a taste. It's sweet. It's kind of tart. The inside is very tart, almost like a lemon. And the rind has a little bit more of the sweetness. You want to eat it together for sure. Oh yeah, that was worth it. I don't even know if you wanted to, if you could peel this. Let's try. I mean, not really. It's just destroying the fruit. And this is very juicy, so I'm gonna cut away the bruised part on this one, and then we are going to make a mandarinquat vinaigrette. Let's go. This vinaigrette will come together very quickly. What we need is 2 of our mandarinquats. We've already chopped those. We need 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Two tablespoons of honey. And if you oil your measuring spoon or measuring cup first, it slides right out. See? Ta-da! Mostly clean. It's oily. A bit of salt and pepper. And then we'll blend this up. That needs a lot more blending. Encore. To help emulsify our vinaigrette, we're going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, so no matter how much I blended this, it still has some large chunks in it. So I went ahead and doubled the olive oil, and I added in a little bit of white vinegar, but you can see this needs strained. This is gonna have to get strained. I don't know about you, but I don't like chunks, and I blended this for a long time, so maybe chop it up before you put it in your blender. I mean, I feel like we have a pretty high-powered blender. It was just hard to get it blended. I don't think there's enough liquid, so that's part of it. Anyway, you can see. And it tastes okay. I would probably skip this and just eat the fruit. But hey, we tried. I will put this on a nice green salad. Maybe something bitter like arugula. Yeah, y'all, I'm straining this. That's gross. So don't waste your time with that recipe on the back, but you should definitely try the fruit. The fruit is good. They suggest it with Belgian endive and frise and some quinoa and fennel. So yeah, pretty bitter stuff. Maybe just make a regular vinaigrette and then you can put some slices of this on it, and then I think that would be good. I don't think you need to try to blend this up. That was a bust. I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe check out this video or this, wherever YouTube puts it, right around here. Check out one of those videos, and I'll see you in the next one. And do me a favor, and if this was fun, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir, bon appetit. Bon appetit with this, not that.